sometimes you get frightened, you go blank, nothing comes into your mind, you feel like I can't speak. So in this video I am going to share some methods which will help you to practice English at home. So let's get into the video. So first and foremost thing which you have, create environment of English. Yes, watch English stories, watch English videos on YouTube, watch TV shows in English, watch movies in English. Whatever the things you do it in English. Yes, whatever the things you are consuming on YouTube, consume in English. Trust me, when you surround yourself with English content, automatically it starts coming into your mind. You do not need to force yourself. Yeah, so first and foremost thing which you have to do is create environment of English. Yes. Second, what you have to do is narrate your life. Yes, narrate your life. Whatever the things you do in a day, try to explain it at night. Yeah. For example, you went to the office, you went to the gym, and whatever the work you did in a day, try to explain it at night. Yes, that today I went to the college, I went to the gym, and today I did this work, and what are the things, whatever you do, try to narrate it in your own words. Yes, trust me, it will help you a lot when you explain it. And sometimes if you are interested in writing, you can write it down too. Next, which you have to do is record your audio. Yes, set alarm for 1 minute and record your audio. Yes, and for example, what do you like to do in your free time? So start the alarm and speak for 1 minute, and within 1 minute you have to just stop it, and then after that listen to your audio. I'm not saying you have to record your video, because sometimes you get frightened, you go blank, nothing comes into your mind, you feel like I can't speak. So it's better to start with audio. Yes, you can record your audio and listen to it. Yeah, and if you are really interested in learning, so you have to do it, like you have to leave your comfort zone. Otherwise, like, anyone can learn, right, by sitting and by not doing anything, right? But you don't have to do like this. You have to take out your time and record your audio and listen to it. You will see that how am I framing the sentences, how am I sounding while speaking. Trust me, it will really help you a lot. It has helped me a lot. Next, you can do shadowing. Now your question would be, what is it? What is shadowing? Well, it's nothing. Shadowing means you have to listen someone and imitate it. It means imitating. Yes, you have to watch some videos, any videos, and after that you have to see that you have to imitate it. For example, I watched one conversational video of Clappingo or Englishari, anything, and after that I really liked the way tutor was talking and the kind of sentences and words she used. I really loved it. So what will I do? I would try to imitate her, so that while speaking I could use this word and I could apply in conversation. Trust me, when you imitate it, when you do shadowing, it will really help you to enhance your speaking skills, and you'll be very good at English. Yeah, by doing this thing and by following this method. It will really help you a lot, because it has helped me a lot. So you can do shadowing. So these are the things which you have to do, and everybody knows it, that consistency is key. Yes, you have to do it regularly so that you could see the result. And no No matter, it doesn't matter where you are right now. You would be beginner, intermediate, or advanced speaker. It doesn't matter. If you follow these methods, then I'm sure you will be able to practice at your home. I have done all of these things. That's why I have suggested it. So if you follow these methods, it will be really helpful for you. Bye bye.